It's the day before our wedding day, and here we are making our way over to Gretna Green.
Right guys, so we just stopped off at the lakes, as Beck likes to call it, and we're getting married, aren't we darling?
Yes, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, so yeah, can't wait, we're really excited.
We are, definitely.
Can't wait.
Even the seagull wants to join in with the celebrations. Our first stop off on the way over to Gretna Green is a little beautiful village called Maryport. We decide to take a beautiful stroll along the marina before visiting Matt's family. Of course, we had to stop off at the cafe for some yummy ice cream, and I have to say it really was delicious. The views are simply amazing.
And here we are just arriving in Scotland. Me and Beck are so excited. And there's the sign. And here we are arriving at the hotel. And this is where we'll be getting married. It's just such a beautiful, stunning place, as you'll see. You know, red carpet at the front there. You know, you really do get VIP treatment here. The staff went above and beyond for us. And here's a close-up shot of the red carpet, and there we go. Just look at the railings and the door and everything. Since 1700s as well. And here's our room. Like I said, they really did go above and beyond for us. There it is, the beautiful suite, like I said. And we're just panning round now. We get robes, slippers, towels, the lot. And you get tea, coffee, champers, but we didn't drink that. There you go. They really did. They just went above and beyond. And there's Sophia looking outside. Look, there you go. You get your own personal wardrobe, an ironing board, everything. And just that lovely seating area outside. We did get to sit outside there. And, we just can't thank them enough, really. Really was beautiful. Oh yeah, here's the bathroom as well. Bath, shower, everything else. And there we go, sink. Your under cupboard bit, and here's the outside seating area. That's it. You get your own little personalised balcony. They keep the gardens so well, they keep the trees, the bushes kept, and there's the sign. Took a walk down here. You had to be a little bit careful in case of services. Kissing gate too. Further down, just look at that, guys, it's beautiful.
Gilmore and I am a civil celebrant appointed by the Registrar General for Scotland as a person authorised to solemnise civil marriages in accordance with the provisions of the Marriage Scotland Act 1977. We are now gathered here in order that I may solemnise your marriage in the presence of these witnesses and in accordance with the law of Scotland. And I confirm that the requirements of that law preliminary to your marriage have been satisfied. As a token of the bond into which you have both now entered, and by virtue of the declaration made by you both in my presence and in the presence of these witnesses, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations.
Oh.
So congratulations.
Thank you.
This building was built in 1710. Became famous because of a law Lord Hardwicke decreed in England, if you're under the age of 21, you needed parent permission to marry. Scotland at the time was marriage law by declaration, so any man that had any kind of trade could legally marry people without parental consent. Now handfasting, it goes back to pagan times. It was the earliest form of a commitment ceremony. It could have been that you were two separate clans that you were joining together. You took a secret with the crown at your base. And true love holds with gentle hands the heart that it entwines. A Celtic blessing. May you be given strength for your weaknesses, light for your blindness, love for your loneliness, joy for your anxiousness, and grace for all your needs. Be circled in love. Okay. Do you promise to encourage, inspire, and laugh with each other, and also to support and comfort each other at all times?
Thank you.
I'm so much in love with you. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you, always and forever.
Always and forever, darling. I find my soulmate at last.
Like the stones below you, may your love be firm. Like the stars above you, may your love be constant. There you go, so you've tied the knot.
Oh, wow.
They say it's lucky to rain on a wedding day, because if the material knot gets wet, it gets tight, so it tightens your love.
Oh, that's good.
You're quite lucky, it's just so days gone by a blacksmith was known to be a forger of metal. What you both have done today is forge your hearts here forevermore. It gives us pleasure to say, congratulations, you're part of its history. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Pleasure to meet you and to do that for you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank
Okay.
you.
please be upstanding. And welcome your bride and groom for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Fox.
And thank you for all the support from everybody. It means a great deal to myself and my wife. It really does. Sorry, I just wanted to get that in. And also, you know, when I first met Rebecca, I knew from the first moment that my eyes met hers that this was going to be absolutely forever. And you know, when you're soulmates and what have you. And I am proud to call Rebecca my wife, and I feel honoured to have the family that I do. It's been an absolutely amazing day, and thank you all so much for coming. And yeah, raise your glasses and thank you everybody. It's a great day and health and happiness.
Oh, thank you.
I'm going to give you the first rule, and that's directed to you, Matt. Rebecca's always right.
Hey guys, so as you can see we are in our wedding attire and we are now officially Mr. and Mrs. Fox. Thank you everybody on YouTube who has supported us and we love you all.